Hi guys, it's Chanel again and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this fabulous, delicious, dare I say yummy hair I have in today. It's with Yummy Hair Extensions, and I have to say that this relationship is going on very strong and the love is getting deep. I won't say it was love at first sight because you always question it, be like, you looking like you're too good to be true kind of concept, but after being in this relationship for a valid few months, I feel like we're committed. Like, this is a real relationship. So we're gonna go into her and all the fabulousness that she is. Okay, so if you don't know about Yummy Hair Extensions yet, I personally came across them on my Instagram. I started trolling them, seeing if they real, and obviously fell onto their website, and they have some amazing hair. Super nice, super thick and everything. And I was like, hey, I'm in the mood to make a new wig, so let's go ahead, dabble, and give them a try. Let me step out of my comfort zone, because you guys know my comfort zone was Glamour House of Hair. When you go on their website, you'll see they have everything laid out. You can get all kind of different like curl patterns and textures and stuff like that. What I have in today is their Raw Caribbean Wavy, and I also purchased their straight, and I'm going to show you the straight as well. She's crimpy right now, but it's okay. We'll introduce her as well. When I ordered with them, you do have to pay for shipping, which is slightly like hashtag annoying, because you know what, some hair companies, if you spend over a certain amount, it's like free shipping some of the times, or majority of the times. And again, different company, cheaper hair, so I understand, I get it, but the shipping, I think it was like $20 something, but it's like express shipping and you're getting it in like 2 to 3 days. So I got it super fast. So when it's there, packaging is super cute. It comes in the express box, but the hair bundles come in these like cute little silk bags, which I honestly keep and have been reusing for other things, as well as maintaining like whatever leftover hair I do have. Inside the bag itself, you will get a note card letting you know what product you end up purchasing and how many inches. So with this, it just simply says product, natural wavy, because it was the Caribbean natural wavy I got. The length on this particular bundle was 22, and it says simply Yummy Extensions, gives their phone number, their website, their email, and their Instagram and Twitter to follow if you like. Also in the box, I don't have it anymore, but it also gave you like a note card about this big, just simple instructions on how to take care of your hair. Most ask like questions, which is also like posted on the website alone. Now, one thing I can say that Yummy Hair has for sure perfected, girl, that's how you know this hair is good and raw. Tell me why when I received this hair, it smelled like heaven. Like, she smells so good. She smells so good. Like, trust me, she ain't coming out that bag smelling like foot or nothing like that. She is soft, silky, and smelling like straight like roses. Like, she smells delightful, and definitely no wet dog smell when you are washing her. Like, seriously. Now, this particular wig I have made here myself. This is with the Raw Caribbean bundles. I have 3 bundles of the 24. I'm pretty sure. I think I was only able to fit 2 bundles of the 22. And then the Frontal is not the same texture, surprisingly. It's with the Raw LAO wavy lace front. Because the particular lace front that goes with this hair, the same, that Raw Caribbean, was actually like out of stock when I was wanting it. And at the time they had a sale going on, and it was like the same price as the LAO. So I just got the LAO. What they say the difference between the LAO wavy and the Caribbean natural wavy is simply the thickness of the hair itself. They say the Caribbean is thicker than the LAO. But I personally am like really feeling her. I think it blended very well. The shade is maybe off like a tad. Like, the Frontal is maybe a tad lighter than the bundles themselves, because the bundles were pretty dark. They're almost like they're like a 1. They're almost like jet black for this hair. And like I said, this is all virgin hair, so she has not been dyed, not been touched, all from one single donor and everything like that. Like, she is virgin raw, as good as they come. Now, what I liked about Glamour House of Hair, and you know I was like obsessed with them and stayed very loyal to them for years on end, is how thick their bundles do come concerning the hair density in it from weft to end. This is like a half of a bundle left. I also have of the 22-inch with the natural wavy with that Caribbean, and it's just honestly so thick from the weft down to the bottom. Like, honestly, some hair you will sit there and it will start to get so piecey about right here concerning the length, and then you'll have like honestly like 10 strands that actually are reaching that 22. With this, you have generally pretty much the same thickness from bottom to end, and you're getting your full like 22 inches here. Like, they're not jipping you whatsoever on your hair, because these prices are not jipping you any either, because they're asking for their coin. Let's be honest. Now, pricing, honestly, this is high quality hair you're getting, raw virgin hair, so you're gonna put your money where your mouth is with this one. Right now they do have a sale going on where their Raw Caribbean Natural Wavies, the 22-inch is on sale for $150 a bundle, and the 24 is on sale for $160. Now, the original prices to these is like an added like $40 to each. The frontal itself that I have on today with this, that LAO wavy lace front, is not on sale, so its regular price is $220. This is a transparent lace, and it's a 13x6 concerning its measurements. And I just sold all this onto a lace front like wig cap I got off of Amazon. I'll link that down below for you all. It's the easiest thing I found to like make a lace front wig out of, because like the front part is already laced out, so you kind of can map out your frontal on there and then sew what tracks you need on it on the back, and then just cut out that extra lace. And that's how I came across this. Like, honestly, if I could have got like the rest of this hair in here, because I swear I have this in like one whole other bundle, if I could have cut all that in here, I would have, but sadly my head isn't as big as I thought it was, and I couldn't. So real sad, because I would have made her as thick as crap. I love me some good thick hair. Just to get a full look at her, she is, like I said, 24 inches. So for me, that puts her basically like at the top of my like butt, almost like waist length basically for you right there. And so that's the back. And then, oh yeah, my frontal inch-wise, they only sell one length for their frontals, which is slightly annoying, but that's okay. She's a 16-inch, I think I said that. But if you're looking for like other lengths, they're not available.
Which I was like, skirt will hurt.
When making this, I did not go and bleach these knots, because you saw her price point was rather high. So I'm a little fearful of bleaching these knots. I think I'm gonna go back and at least like bleach the parameter though, because I don't know if I can live with this consistent everywhere concealing knots aspect. I did the whole like foundation and powder underneath the cap, and then again on top where the hairline is and where the part is. I don't mind concealing a part. Trying to conceal a hairline is a whole nother story in my book, so I don't know how I feel about that one. So obviously this isn't the hair's like natural curl pattern it came with. It was honestly as shown here, and what little bundle I have left of this 22, very little bit of a bend or curl for this natural wave. It's very, very minimum, but it holds a curl really, really pretty, and it lasts you a good couple of days, not a week. But I just curled her with my Longe curling on barrel. This is, I want to say, the 2-inch one. So it simply went through, part of her curled her through, and this is what I was left with. And this is the hair going on. This is about like 4 or 5 days right here. So like I said, you'll get a good nice little curl pattern for about a week so's. Because this is day 4. I want to say day 4. This is day 4 with her. And she's holding up real nice. Now, concerning what's like important, shedding. Of course, you don't want to be losing pennies, nickels, and dimes every time you brush her or comb her. That's not cute. I will say that with this particular hair, it did shed. I do admit, because I had her like throwback. I mixed 24 inches and a 22 with some Glamour House hair I had to make a wig for my birthday, and she tangled and she shedded. And that was because I did not seal my wefts. Y'all listen to me. Look at me. Look me in my eye. I don't care what a company says about their wefts and how strong they are and how you don't need to seal no wefts. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to those hoes. You want to save your money, you want to save your coins, and make sure every time you brush your hair you ain't losing $1. Seal your wefts. Sure enough, when I deconstructed that wig to make this wig, I went back through and sealed those wefts because I definitely had played myself prior.
She was shedding left and right, and it was not cute.
Now, I admit the wefts were still pretty, like the hair was thick still, like for how much she did shed. I'm surprised the wefts weren't bald looking. And I had bought straight hair with them too. They're Caribbean Natural Straight. And I sealed those knots from the beginning, have no shedding from that whatsoever. So you'll do best if you simply seal your knots, and you'll be good. The sealant I used for my previous video concerning my lashes, same sealant I used for my knots. That, or you can use like Stay Don't Fray or like any pretty much like fabric glue to keep the hair intact on that weft, and you should be honestly good to go. Now, tangling, I will say that the natural wavy does tangle in comparison to the straight. For sure. I've been wearing the straight. I love my straight wig, and she's real easy to maintain, obviously, but I rarely get any knots or tangles. This hair obviously has been styled and curled. Right now, there isn't anything, but like as I move throughout the day, obviously moving my head back and forth, so it's rubbing up against my shoulders and all, wearing jackets and things, like she starts to get a little tangled, a little knotted, especially at the nape. Like right now, she'll get a little knotty on you here and there, but not any like matting, nothing that's like unbearable where you can't handle it and a simple comb and a second of your time can't fix. Like, it's not awful. Now, I admit, I went out dancing and clubbing with this hair on for my birthday. She was a rat's nest. Fully will put it there. She was a hot mess, and that did take some time to comb out, so be forewarned, if you're trying to go out and dance with her and sweat around in her, she'll tangle on you real nice. The straight hair, not so much. Natural wave, yes it will. Yes, it will. As you see, she's real thick. This is why I freaking love this hair, because the hair itself is just, honestly, the strands are just so thick, which I absolutely love. Like, this is all the hair moved to the front. And this is, of course, I have like bundles on bundles, like legit, this is 5 bundles and a frontal, but yo, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Like, she real thick. She got a little bit of weight to her, but that's okay. I like my neck to break for my hair. But let me show you what the straight hair I have here. Now, this is a mix of Glamour House of Hair as well as the straight hair with Yummy, that Caribbean straight. Now, the frontal is Love Me hair, but pretty much half this wig, if not a little bit more, is the Yummy hair. So this is like all Yummy right here, because I did 3 bundles of 24. As you see, it's super nice and thick, just like this hair. Combs through very easily. Like I said, the straight hair, you're not gonna have issues with tangling like you would maybe the wavy one. And what I like about this natural straight is, even though it dries like bone straight, for sure, if anything, to get that nice glossy like straight, you can cut them with it, put a flat iron through it real quick, of course. But as you see with this, I styled it with some crimps, and this was like heatless crimps I did too, which I'll show you a video on that as well. But this is the hair being crimped for like over a week. So it, on top of that, if you want straight hair, but you want to be able to be versatile with it and still curl it, it's gonna hold a curl for you, and it's gonna hold it beautifully. You don't have to worry about it being something that's gonna go, and because it is straight hair, fall on you in a day or 2 days. So me personally, I really like the straight hair over the natural wavy, because it honestly behaves the same and a little even better than the natural wavy. I don't know why. I'm just more partial to this because, I mean, if you can hold a curl like this for me and when I wash you and you air dry, you bone straight, like, that's beautiful. But of course, as always, if you guys have any questions for me, anything I did not get to cover in this video concerning this yummy, come on, go ahead and say it with me, this yummy, delicious hair extensions, because no one's got you like they do. They are worth every penny, and I'm not even lying. But if I missed anything and I didn't give you the tea that you needed about this hair, you let me know down in the questions right down below. Go ahead, spread her out. Let me know what I need to let you know about. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, then you need to go ahead and give yourselves a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that. Go ahead, spread some love, and we need to just go ahead and be friends. So go ahead and subscribe and join the rest of the group. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, keeping your butts inside because nobody's got time for no Rona. But other than that, you guys stay blessed. Talk to you later. Bye.